Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, and I'm walking to our little meditation pond in the Morningside Park across the street from my friend's house. Wait a second, it's not red yet for you? Ah, onion green. They're cleaning something at the pond. I see somebody in the yellow jacket. Seems like it's a maintenance service or something. So today is not that sunny, so look at that. No turtles. Those, well, I can see a turtle in the water, but no turtles on the rocks like we usually see when it's sunny. Good morning, Jean. Yeah, it looks like they're cleaning the pond today, which is nice. Look at that. So when it's not sunny, a lot of turtles are in the water. Look, can you see them? And I see more in the a little bit further away. Oh, that's so cute. Anyway, I'm gonna set up somewhere. Good morning, Gina. Here's one turtle swimming. So cute. Good morning, Cindy. We're just watching the turtles swim, saying that I guess on a sunny day they're all on the rocks, but on a not so sunny day, frolicking in the water. Sorry for the shaking. Trying to set it up. Oops. Okay. Sorry, I guess it's windier than I thought. Good morning, Sandra. Oh no. My phone, my protective liner on the phone got cracked because it was on the rock. But I guess my phone is fine. All right, then. Hi, Michael. So I guess I need to hold it in my hands. Let me relocate. Start. didn't expect it to be that windy. I definitely don't want to crack my phone. Oh my god, I was just... Too bad I didn't show it to you. There was a tiny little frog that jumped in the water when I sat on the rock. Alright, how do I do it? I guess like this. Oi! Sorry guys, this wind is not... Cindy, frolicking is not something you... Is it my English as a second language comes in? You don't use the word frolic for turtles. Yanni, good morning. I am just trying to set up so that my phone doesn't fall again because it just cracked the... not the screen, but the protective screen. So I need to be able to hold it somehow. Sorry guys. Okay, I guess this is it. Woof! Alright. Alright. Good morning. Today we will continue to explore the emotional experience of contentment. And today we'll look at how contentment is viewed in yoga philosophy. So in yoga, contentment is called Santosa. And in the Yoga Sutra, the text, the main text of yoga, the Yoga Sutra describing it goes like this: contentment brings unsurpassed joy. Contentment brings unsurpassed joy. Santosa, or contentment, is the practice of cultivating the state of calm and quiet, which resides in the space between uplifting emotions, eagerness, enthusiasm, love, and more subdued ones, boredom, pessimism, frustration. It relates to the quality of being wholeheartedly present and not worrying about the past or anticipating the future for a period of time. It's not about feeling ecstatic about yourself or your life or whatever is happening. It's about simply being okay with what is right here, right now, in front of you. Sometimes what's before you is pleasant, and that's great, that's okay. Sometimes what's in front of you is unpleasant, and that's okay too. And sometimes what's in front of us is neutral, and that's okay. Cultivating this basic okayness towards each moment, pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, is key to unlocking deep natural peace that resides in everybody's heart. Contentment can sometimes manifest as a moment of simply sitting still, or an ordinary yet mindful task repeated in a soothing and constant rhythm. The sense of neutrality, equanimity, okayness is characterized by the practice of living with the elements of life that are already before us, instead of seeking more, or instead of running away from what we don't like. In our modern day culture, this can be an incredibly challenging practice. Moments of Santosa can become rare as we roller coaster between the extreme highs and uncomfortable lows, triggered by all the external stimuli. In fact, because many people spend their lives constantly amped up by television, caffeine, consumerism, entertainment, and the like, what might actually be a moment of contentment is always mislabeled as mundane or boring. Instead of pausing to savor a space before us, we race to fill it with the next distraction. And this way we miss out on the richness embedded in simply being. To practice contentment is to say, this is enough, this moment is enough, this person is enough, this meal is enough. I am enough, right here, right now. Gary Snyder says, it is as hard to get the children herded into the carpool and down the road to the bus as it is to chant sutras in the Buddha hall on a cold morning. One is not better than the other. Each can be quite boring, and they both have the virtuous quality of repetition. Repetition and ritual and their good results come in many forms. Changing the filter, wiping noses, going to meetings, picking up around the house, washing dishes. Don't let yourself think these are distracting you from your more serious pursuits. Such a round of chores is not a set of difficulties we hope to escape from so that we may do our quote-unquote practice, which will put us on our quote-unquote path. These mundane tasks, this is our path. There is a Chinese proverb which states, people in the West are always getting ready to live. People in the West are always getting ready to live. Isn't that truth? We always seem to be getting ready for the next thing, and in the process, we tend to look at other people's lives to see what's missing in our own. When we expect the world to meet our needs, we turn outside of ourselves to find sustenance and completion. We expect our partners to fulfill us, our job to meet our needs, and success to solve all of our problems. And when it doesn't, we continue to play this if-only game, looking for that one more thing that will solve everything, that make our life rich and fulfilling. Or we start playing the planning and regretting game. We let our contentment be managed by all these uncontrollable variants. And yet, as long as we think satisfaction comes from an external source, we can never be content. Looking outward for fulfillment will always disappoint us and keep contentment one step out of reach. So let's explore this together now. Take a comfortable position and, as usual, take a few moments to notice how you're doing right now. What's going on physically, emotionally, mentally? Notice your breath without trying to control it. Just observe how your breath flows in and out. And for a moment, contemplate what being okay with everything that is, that everything before you, what does it mean to you personally? Rest in the soft and effortless rhythm of breath and reflect on how you approach your life. Are you constantly getting ready for the next thing or looking for contentment from something outside of yourself? Feel deeply into this moment, right here, right now. feel grounded with your feet on the ground, or your whole body on the ground, or your sits bones on the chair. Connected, anchored into this moment, and ask yourself, how can I be okay with whatever is happening in my life right now? Not ecstatic, just okay. Remembering that love is a daily choice you can make. Let the answer to this question bubble up from the depths of your heart. Don't judge, don't expect a particular response, just go with whatever comes up. However illogical, silly, plain, weird, or counterintuitive it may seem. How can I be okay with whatever is happening in my life right now? Once you have this answer, whether it's an image, words, or sensation, hold it in your vision, and at the same time do a body scan, paying attention to how this message resonates in different parts of your body. What do you notice physically? Again, no judgment, go with what is. How can I be okay with everything in my life right now? Now place your hands on your heart and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So in this moment, I am okay. Right here, right now, all is well in my world. As you go through your day today, I invite you to keep asking yourself this very question we explored. How can I be okay with this? How can I be okay with that? Especially when you find yourself in a less than pleasant situation. And let the answer come from your heart, from your body. Don't let your logical mind force it on you. And whenever you find it challenging to answer this question, repeat this mantra that we've been doing for months now. I am here, I am breathing, my heart is beating, my mind is working. So in this moment, I'm okay. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow. And as we finish, I just want to say that the sun has come up a little bit, and so maybe you see the turtles coming on top of those rocks a little bit. I'll walk a little with it. Oh, wait.
I don't see the eagles though. Let's see.
Yay! So cute when they come up. Anyway, I'll leave you to your daily tasks and encourage you to be okay with whatever those tasks are. Have a lovely day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.